Have you ever stopped to consider what the Conservation Levy truly supports? At Onguma Nature Reserve, every contribution you make through this levy plays a direct role in protecting one of Namibia's most vital ecosystems. Behind the scenes, your stay is helping fund real conservation work. This isn't just a fee, it's an investment in the future, protecting the nature and conserving the wild.
The Conservation Levy is a modest portion of each guest booking. It underpins the very efforts that keeps Onguma's ecosystem healthy and resilient. This support enables wildlife veterinary interventions, habitat restoration, rhino dehorning for anti-poaching, annual game counts, species relocation, long-term research, staff development, and the creation of eco-cautious infrastructure. Every one of these actions form part of our broader conservation strategy.
It's not just about financial support. The success of our conservation work also depends on your actions while you are here. The way we move through the reserve, respectfully and responsibly, plays a vital role. Let's take a closer look at some of the key guidelines and how your conduct in the field directly supports our conservation efforts alongside your conservation levy. Take that elephant for example. Every sighting is carefully logged and shared with our anti-poaching unit. This helps us monitor individual animals, understand their movements, and keep them safe from harm.
Out here, guiding is also about observing. We are constantly monitoring the health of the wildlife. If we notice signs of injury or distress, we report it immediately so that our conservation team can respond without delay.
And conservation isn't just about the large iconic species. We log bird sightings, monitor plant health, and even note insect activity. Every observation contributes to the ecological understanding of this reserve.
It's not just about having eyes on the ground. Having the right tools is essential. That's where the Conservation Levy plays another critical role. It ensures that our guides, anti-poaching unit and reserve teams are properly equipped to meet the challenges they face every day. This work is not without risk. We operate in unpredictable terrain, amongst dangerous wildlife and under the ever-looming threat of poaching. And thanks to your support, we can stay prepared. With advanced training, the right gear, and the technology needed to protect our wildlife and wilderness areas.
Guests sometimes ask us, why can't we just step out of the vehicle near the waterhole? It's not only a matter of safety. Waterholes are lifelines, especially during the dry season. If animals detect human scent nearby, they may avoid approaching, putting their survival at risk and disrupting the natural patterns we work hard to study.
Just like with waterholes, movement throughout the reserve follows strict protocols designed to protect the ecosystem.
Guided game drives are essential. They ensure that wildlife encounters happens respectfully. Sightings are ethically controlled, and the vehicle do not become a source of disturbance or stress for the animals.
So as you travel to your lodge, remember that every step of your journey contributes to something bigger.
Here at Onguma, every guest becomes part of a living conservation legacy.
Thank you for choosing to be here, for engaging with our purpose. and for making a real difference simply by exploring this place with care.
It's a conservation journey, and just because of you, the journey continues.